So we're gonna rip some Cactus Jack NBA tops. I'm thinking of which one to unpack. I think this one's the lucky one. I'm gonna do this next, but this is gonna be for this video. Let's go! Oh shit. This is $800 hobby box. I actually listed it for sale, but I wanted to open it. At least I wanted to open one or two. So obviously it's not gonna be for sale anymore. First pack magic. Let's see. Oh! Concanoople. Parang refractor, oh. Parang refractor siya. Wait. Con agad, oh. Rookie card. I think this is refractor. Amen. Ozar Thompson, Joel Embiid. Wait, bakit tatlo lang? Parang weird. Hindi na may isip. Oh, I'm seeing something. Wait. Richard Will, rookie card. Okay. Nick Clifford, rookie. Franz Wagner, Brandon Miller. Okay. Ba't ganun tatlo lang yung isang card? Am I missing something here? Bakit tatlo lang yung isang card? Oh. Ooh, Luka Doncic. Refractor Will Riley. Refractor Will Riley. Okay. Keontae George. Kevin Durant. Utopia. Ooh, Ant. What's this? Rookie card. Noah. Anthony Davis. Rookie card refractor. Oops. Rookie card refractor. Oh, Young Hansen. Parang damage. Young Hansen. Utopia. Oh! Cooper Plug! Rookie card! Cooper Plug! Kaso parang pangit ng edges. Pangit ng edges. Jeremiah Fierce. Rookie card. Put all the rookie cards in there. Oopsie. Tyrese Maxey. And SGA. Oops, Drake Powell. Okay card. Oh, nice! Speckle. Numbered 43 of 75. Pero hindi rookie card. Terrence Shannon Jr. At least we got our first numbered card. Purple speckle pa yata. Okay, VJ Edgecomb. And then should I hindi. I was thinking of putting a protector. Sheer Fleming. Rookie card. Devin Booker. Rookie card. Jace Richardson. And then Hakeem. La Flame. I think jack up to black up. Jack up insert. Oops, baliktad ah. Zach Lavine. Adutier, rookie. Amen Thompson. Noah. Rookie card. Phlegm ako eh. Apologies. Okay, rookie card. Hugo Gonzalez. Ooh! Numbered. Cedric Coward of 99. Ano to eh? Teal Shimmer. Aqua Shimmer. I have this kind of parallel for Wemby. Aqua Shimmer of 99. Rookie card. Cedric Coward. Trey Johnson the third rookie card. Then another rookie, Will Riley. Nolan Trior rookie. Kamal Maluwak rookie. Liam McNeely rookie. Oh, Ray Allen left lane. Ganda. Mga inserts to eh. Pero hindi ganun ka-rare. Cam Thomas. Sky Barnes. Matas Buzelis. Giannis. Bunch of base cards. Laurie Markkanen. Oh, Jaren Jackson Jr. Logo. Ooh, Dylan Harper. Hi. Rookie card. This one is logo refractor. Derek Quinn. And then Derek Quinn. Rookie card pa pala to. Darius Garland base. Terrence Allen Jr. base. Thomas Sorber rookie. And then another rookie. Refractor. Blue Refractor out of 150, oh. 98 of 150. Blue Refractor, Donovan Mitchell. Nice. You got 3 numbered cards na. Oh, Clayton Jr. rookie. And then DeMar. Isang numbered rookie card lang nakuha natin. Few packs left. Damian Lillard. Ooh, Ant-Man. Mr. Ant-Man. Anthony Edwards ulit, oh. Dalawa magkasunod. What the heck is going on here? Ooh, you got another Canuple or Jason Tatum. Parang 5 yung laman nun. Refractor bar hit ba yung isa dun? Ano natin yung top rookies. Jason Tatum, Jack Up. Oh, wait. I'm seeing something. Oh, rookie. Kaso refractor lang. Refractor lang. Okay din. Base. Cade Cunningham, Jaylen Brown. Oops. Rookie. Ray Murphy the third. De'Aaron Fox. Oh, numbered. Banchero of 99. Utopia. Banchero 64 of 99. Utopia highlights 64 of 99, no? Steph Curry. Oop. I'm seeing something with the back. Oh, DeMar DeRozan. Steph Curry base. Harry Quinn. Refractor. Oh, yan. Okay. Beringer. Rookie cards. Medyo maalat. Alexar. Oh, Wemby. Let's see. Oh, yes! Yes! Another Wemby, number 299. Teal speckle to. Yung isa is Aqua Shimmer. Yes! 109 of 299. Yes. I love it. Zion James. And then Cam Jones rookie cards. Nice. Ganda, bro. Love it. And then last pack Magic. Walang auto pero we'll take it. Puro numbered cards. Hali. Jared McCain. Scoot Henderson. David Robinson. LaFlame. Okay, so revealing our hits for this box. We got 98 of 150 Donovan Mitchell. I don't think this is a hit, but yeah. This one 64 of 99 Paolo Banchero. 43 of 75 Terrence Shannon Jr. Just some inserts. This one I love it. WMB 109 of 299. Teal Speckle. And then Aqua Shimmer 78 of 199. Cedric Howard rookie card. Sana maganda performance nito para tumaas ang value ng card. Yeah. Thank you.